Welcome to NXT Tuesdays on the CW. We're kicking the night off with Lizzy Rain, going one-on-one with the new signee, Nikki Blackheart. Rock on, man.
I can't wait. She's been preparing for this match for a while. This is her
rock on, man.
Statement.
I need you to comment, like, and subscribe. The new WWE NXT signee, Nikki Blackheart.
The arena's buzzing, social media's buzzing, a big fight feel in a main event level match.
Formerly known as Nikki Blackheart, this is Nikki Blackheart in the NXT arena. I need you to hype this video up. You're watching WrestleVid.
And you have to respect the work this superstar has been putting in order to meet the kind of challenge she faces tonight.
Without a doubt, we've seen the hard work paying off. You don't find yourself in a match like this without dedicating your time into your craft.
All that time spent has her in a good position to pull off a victory here.
However, is she as hungry for this win as her opponent is? Because when we look across the ring, I don't know if I've seen a hungrier superstar in quite some time. You can see it in her eyes. She's come into this match with a chip on her shoulder and something to prove.
Oh, my goodness, what a knee strike.
And misses on the springboard.
Big knee driving into the gut.
She manages to reverse it.
Tagged with a punch.
Catches the leg. Powerbomb, drop down.
Now that's what you call impact.
What a way to get out of that one.
Now heading outside.
Oh, stop, stop, stop. Followed by a forearm smash.
Bang! Ooh! Oh, I think I felt that one. Directly into the gut.
A bicycle knee strike. Boom! That puts her on the offensive. Oh, that'll turn your skin red.
Spiked with a Uranagi.
She's had a lot thrown her way already.
Running out of time. Gotta get your butt back in the ring.
Alf!
Under the ropes and back into the ring.
Giving her opponent a piece of her mind here. Avoids the count out now, but was using nearly all the leeway the referee is allowing.
Oh, instead, got kicked straight in the face.
What a display of strength here.
Just thrashing the windpipe here. From above.
pin.
She powers out immediately there.
She's not going quietly into the good night here, making things very interesting. This is power here.
Go! Knees to the gut.
Going for the cover here.
Early kick out. Referee right on top of the action.
She is not going down just yet. She wants to keep fighting.
Hoisted up high here.
What a press slam. Being able to pull that off, no one is going to question if you skip going to the gym today.
A stomp to the gut turns things around.
Springboard cutter.
Oh, man.
She's regrouping now, getting out of the ring there.
She's taking things to the floor here. Sliding in under the rope. She's back in the ring.
Drop zones ready. Boom, what impact.
She's starting to wear down here.
Yeah, but you got to expect that at this point in the match.
Oh, my God.
Pinpoint aim right to the arm.
Lifted and completely helpless here.
Ooh, got caught with a punch to the face.
Haymaker, but trapped.
Right into the SDO.
Stopping that offense with a swift elbow.
Drop him. She got in this now. And a kick out at only one.
Not even a 2 count, just found a way to power out of that pin attempt. Forcefully sent into the corner of the ring. Just like a lamb to the slaughter, perched on the turnbuckles. And what a display of power and balance. Complete domination.
Wow, what power. Shoulders down, she might have her.
Almost ended it there.
Able to get the shoulder up, but that was a long 2 count.
What a counter. Able to turn the tides in her favor here.
She's trying.
Time to end this. And a spinning sit-out powerbomb.
6 sheep, 7 sheep. She's gonna
Makes
be
the cover.
sleeping for a long time.
She's able to reach the ropes and stop the count. She fights back with the counter. And she finally has the wherewithal to answer back.
And she's clearly had enough and is now giving back as good as she was getting. Looking to end this once and for all.
Kick out. She still has life.
She's got serious grit. How did she manage to break that pin?
And here we go. Last shot on the mark.
See ya. Waiting on a beat.
2. Win. A big win. That took a huge effort. These ladies put on quite a show. Here's another gander.